we're gonna do our second course meal. It's called Jouene Hajij. It's actually Lebanese for chicken wings. And these chicken wings are super special. They're made with a lemon and cilantro sauce. Really, really delicious. So we're gonna start right away. So we have chicken wings. We have chopped onions, chopped cilantro, extra virgin olive oil, canola oil for frying, cloves of garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, lemon wedges for garnish, salt and pepper. Okay, first off, we're gonna start off with a garlic paste. So we're gonna do the garlic cloves, and then we're gonna add a dash of sea salt. The sea salt is gonna help turn this into a paste. So now it's turned into a paste. As you can see right here. This is exactly what you're looking for. Okay, so next we're gonna prepare the chicken wings to be fried, and all we're gonna make sure that these are dry. So if you're gonna wash them, just make sure that they're really dry. And then we're just gonna sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt on both ends. So, and then we'll flip them once we do one side. And then we salt the other side. And you want to go fairly heavy on the salt. And then you want to sprinkle it with either black or white pepper, whatever you can find at the store. And this is just to give it a little taste. Of course, you know, at the end it's going to be tossed in that lemon sauce. So you really don't need a lot of flavor. No, just flip them. Just like that. And sprinkle the other side of it. And then just kind of toss it all together. That way it's evenly coated. Next we're gonna drop 3 or 4 chicken wings in the over medium high heat. So I'm gonna go 4. It depends on how big your pot is. If you have a smaller pot, you might just want to stay with 3 at a time. And you just want to fry it for a few minutes and then flip it over and fry it for another few more minutes. This is just to brown it up, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so we fried our chicken about 4 minutes on each side, and this is what it looks like. You want to put it on paper towels when you pull it out of the fire. That way, you know, any excess oil, it gets drained on it. So that's it. Now we're gonna start making the sauce, and then we're gonna toss it in that sauce. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with some olive oil, and we're gonna heat it up over medium high. Then we're gonna add our onions, chopped onions. And we are going to stir it and fry it up until it gets a little bit of a pale yellow color. So just for a few minutes. The onions are ready, and now we're gonna stir in the garlic paste that we prepared earlier. And we're gonna add that whole thing in there. And we're gonna stir it in. And you want to act quickly because garlic actually burns a lot faster than onions. And then you want to add in the cilantro. Stir it up. Get all that aroma. And then you want to add your lemon juice. Turn it down and then start adding your chicken wings one at a time. Then you want to toss the whole thing with that beautiful sauce. That it's evenly coated. So this is our final look right here. We're just gonna put a few lemon wedges just for garnish. And that's it. There you have it. Joanna Bajij. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy these chicken wings. Joanna Bajij is a classic Lebanese, so enjoy.